Hey there, viewers. Today's video is all about passive income ideas for 2023. In this fast-paced world, it's important to diversify our income streams and explore ways to earn money even when we're not actively working. So, let's jump right into it and discover some fantastic passive income ideas that can help you generate additional revenue. Number 1. Rental properties. Investing in real estate and renting out properties is a tried and true method of generating passive income. You can purchase residential or commercial properties and earn regular rental income. Consider factors like location, market demand, and potential rental yield when selecting properties. You can also hire a property management company to handle tenant issues and maintenance tasks. Number 2. Dividend investing. Investing in dividend-paying stocks can provide a steady stream of passive income. Look for reputable companies that have a history of consistent dividend payments. Dividends are typically paid quarterly or annually, allowing you to earn income without actively trading stocks. Remember to do thorough research and consider working with a financial advisor before investing in stocks. Number 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms allow you to lend money directly to individuals or small businesses in need of financing. You earn interest on the loans, which provides a passive income stream. Research reputable peer-to-peer lending platforms and carefully evaluate borrower profiles and risk levels before making any investments. Number 4. High-yield savings accounts. While interest rates may not be very high, opening a high-yield savings account can still be a reliable way to generate passive income. Look for banks or financial institutions that offer competitive interest rates. Make regular deposits and watch your savings grow over time. This method requires little effort and is relatively low risk. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. If you have an online presence, consider affiliate marketing. Join affiliate programs related to your niche or interests, and promote products or services through your website, blog, or social media channels. When someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. Focus on building a loyal audience and providing valuable content to maximize your affiliate income. Number 6. Create and sell online courses. If you have expertise in a particular field, consider creating and selling online courses. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Coursera allow you to create and monetize your courses. Once you create the course content, it can generate passive income as students enroll and pay for access. Regularly update and market your courses to increase sales. Number 7. Print-on-demand products. Print-on-demand services enable you to design and sell custom products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more, without worrying about inventory or shipping. Platforms like Printful or Teespring handle the production and shipping for you. Create unique designs, market your products, and earn passive income whenever someone purchases your items. Number 8. Create and sell digital products. Digital products such as ebooks, templates, stock photos, or music can be created once and sold repeatedly. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Etsy, or Creative Market allow you to sell your digital creations. Focus on quality and provide value to your customers to increase sales and generate passive income. Number 9. Rent out your assets. If you own assets like a car, a spare room, or equipment, consider renting them out. Platforms like Turo allow you to rent out your car, while Airbnb lets you rent out spare rooms or properties. This way, you can earn money from your assets when you're not using them. Number 10. Create a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel can be a great way to generate passive income through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Choose a niche you're passionate about and consistently create high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. Build a loyal subscriber base and engage with your viewers to maximize your channel's growth and income potential. Remember, passive income requires upfront effort and ongoing maintenance, but it can provide financial freedom and flexibility in the long run. Don't expect instant results, but with dedication and persistence, these passive income ideas can become lucrative revenue streams. So there you have it, viewers, a list of passive income ideas for 2023. Explore these options, do thorough research, and choose the ones that align with your skills, interests, and financial goals. Remember, diversifying your income sources is key to financial stability and success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. And as always, feel free to share your thoughts and additional passive income ideas in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy passive income hunting!